The 2024 Tesla Model 3 dashboard warning indicator lights alert drivers to important vehicle conditions, including battery status, safety warnings, and system faults. Understanding these symbols ensures a safer and more efficient driving experience. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. The touchscreen display provides interactive controls, while the instrument cluster shows key vehicle information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. The steering wheel controls the direction of the vehicle by turning the front wheels. The gear handle design with smooth shifting, integrated controls, and enhanced durability for precise gear selection. Meters and gauges. Cluster indicators. Door open light, brake warning light. Vehicle hold, seatbelt warning light. Front fog indicator light, supplemental airbag warning light. Slip indicator light, anti-lock brake system light. Low tire pressure warning light, cold weather light. Parking lights on, high beam indicator. Drive inverter mode, electronic stability control systems. Auto high beam, low beam indicator light. Rear fog light, regenerative braking light. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.